This is a quick miles and points redemption tip when it comes to Flying Blue. If you're not familiar with Flying Blue is the loyalty program for Air France and KLM. And the hidden feature is this. I didn't even know about it until the guys over at Frequent Miler posted about it. And that hidden feature is the award calendar. Why is it hidden? I'm not sure why, but it's the award calendar. Award calendars are awesome because it makes it easy to search for multiple dates or multiple months very quickly and very easily, all within just one search. Versus some programs require you to search day by day or week by week. The Flying Blue award calendar lets you search month by month and pick and choose which dates require the fewest amount of miles. So to get this award calendar, what you need to do is go to Air France or KLM.com. I'm on airfrance.com. I'm gonna go ahead and click on book with miles, and this is where you log in, or if you don't have an account, create an account. And then when you're searching for your flight, input all your information, but leave the date blank. It sounds kind of weird, but leave the date blank and then hit search. This will give you the award calendar for the next several months. So at the top here, you can see the months and the days down below, and you can pick and choose which dates require the fewest amount of Flying Blue miles. You can skim through the months and also see different months as well, and this makes it quick and easy to search for award availability on Flying Blue. So that's a simple tip for today on how to reveal the Flying Blue award calendar. It's a small thing, but award calendars make searching so much quicker and so much faster than going week by week or day by day. I've done a few videos on Flying Blue, which I'll link up here, and you can watch those videos on how to redeem Flying Blue miles for business class tickets. Comment below if you have any questions, and if you want more miles and points tips, remember to hit the like and subscribe button.